Hey everybody, happy National Sandwich Day. It's November and National Sandwich Day is finally here. And it's a Friday too, so we're doing pretty good. We went to your favorite, apparently, Hardee's, the $5 All-Star meal. I was actually stunned by this. It's incredible. It was the first time that I actually have been back to Hardee's for anything. And the offerings in their $5 group, which is brand new, simply astounded me. So I picked up a number one, which is a cheeseburger, a hot dog, fries, and a drink. And what we'll do is we'll start off by getting the drink ready. And today's feature, I don't know where I'll be here. What does that say? Pioneers of the Great American Burger. There's the Hardee's. This is a cherry Coke for today. I originally wanted to go out for a breakfast item, but I was dragging my feet. Now we're back to the $5 All-Star meal. And there I opened it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a really quick look. Okay, well, I'm going to try to tip it. Okay, here, let me try to adjust the camera. Here is the burger. There is apparently the hot dog. And then they literally threw in some fries. It saved them a box. Okay, now let's take a real quick look at the fries. And these are typical fries for Hardee's. They don't even necessarily look like they've been salted, but let's give it a shot. On that, I really can't tell. It kind of looks like they have some type of a different type of seasoning. I could be wrong. Okay, well there's that. Get the old mouth liquidated. Or whatever. Liquefied. No, that would not be good. A liquefied mouth would not be good. Let's go for another French fry real quick. Because the taste was... Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether they're salted or seasoned. And it's really... I mean, there's no taste of real salt on them. So it's quite possible that they were just oddly seasoned. Hey, there's a cookie in here. Hey. So we're looking at a cheeseburger, a hot dog, French fries, a drink, and a cookie. Literally $1 a piece, if you think about it. I think what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the hot dog. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any condiments. Or did I? We might have to sacrifice the emergency condiments. Well, a certain company has saved us once again. I have one of those pourable ketchups from Heinz. So we have, thank you, a really wonderful chicken place. But we're back to Hardee's. Let's take a look at the hot dog. It looks very plain, very basic. Try to I'm going to try to bring it in here. And that's what they did. It's looks like they kind of squeezed it together just a little bit. But it is a generously sized hot dog. You know, it's not, I mean, that's a good size hot dog. Probably a custom job for Hardee's, but I'm not sure. And what we're going to do is we're going to tear it. What is that? Okay. We're going to tear this just to get a little ketchup, a little flavoring on to the hot dog. Try it. There we go. Now I know you're probably screaming at me right now. What are you doing putting ketchup on a hot dog? Well, ketchup belongs on hot dogs. Mustard, let's not go there. But here we go. There we go. Just a little bit. Not much, because we have to save that for the fries. And here we have ketchup and a hot dog. There we go. From the $5 All-Star meal from Hardee's. And here we go. Being that it has been quite a long time since I've had a hot dog, and I believe it was earlier this year. I don't really get to hot dogs that often because I'm under doctor's care, and I'm only allowed to eat regular food, I guess, or if that's what you want to call it, just a couple times a week. But this is very flavorful. Obviously, it's due to the amount of sodium in it. There's the cross section. But I'm not sure whether or not this is a pure beef hot dog or just a regular one. I'm guessing that it's actually a pure beef hot dog, but it is very generous in comparison to the ones you would buy at the store. That's amazing. That's a good hot dog. I'll take a drink here real quick. And as you can tell, it is a bit of a rainy day here. So you can probably tell from behind me. Oh, I'm not in my hometown. I'm in a location that's considered Dayton, but slightly northwest of Dayton. Okay. There's that receipt. And the overall charge, well, getting a medium drink. I'm not necessarily sure if they gave me a medium fry, but it came out to $5.40 as the base price and $5.54 as the total. And it does list everything here. Medium beverage, medium fry, I guess they did give me a medium fry. 1 chocolate chip cookie, a 6-1 hot dog, whatever code that is for Hardee's, and then a double cheeseburger. That's what I got. Okay, not just a regular one, but a double. And it's actually a brand new location for this area. Let's see what I'm trying to. The original place over there was maybe like a video game rental or a garden center. They tore that completely down, and it was a while before anybody had any interest in it. And suddenly, bang! I come up here today, and there's a brand new Hardee's in its place. So that was a plus for me on top of National Sandwich Day. All right, here we go with that double. Oh, okay. This was the base. They set this in there for the box, and then they put everything on top of it. It just pulled up and out, or I grabbed it and it pulled it up and out. Here is their double cheeseburger. This $5 value meal is pretty good. Their menu, in fact, is very good. You know, the only other, that was an onion. The only other company that actually goes or extends themselves with cookies, to my knowledge, is KFC. And so here we have the double cheeseburger from Hardee's. And we have, open up there, it looks like onions, ketchup, and mustard. And then on the bottom, we have cheese and pickle. A couple of, well, no, I'm sorry. It's 2 pickles and ketchup. And then in between the patties, they laid down the cheese. So let's give this a bite. Those are some good char-broiled patties. As I tried to talk with my mouth full. Okay. The onions, they're a bit strong. Now we all know the stronger the onion, the better it is for you. But if you could use sweet onions, Hardee's. There's that cross section. Try to bring it in closer. If you could use sweet onions, that would be a boon. I think the flavor that stands out, in this particular burger, you can really tell the flame broiled meat patties. They're not background when it comes to the flavor. They are up front. And the real background notes or the condiments and the actual cheese, which is actually surprising because usually other locations or other fast food places, cheese is basically the first thing that comes forward when you take a bite of something. But it's the patties on this. Finally hit a pickle. And unfortunately, there's those sirens. And it definitely sounds like it's heading our way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause. And we're back. That was a bit of a run for that. There's a long stretch road here. It's one of the main arteries that actually ends up in Dayton. But the ambulance has already gone by. Now we're back to the burger. I did take a drink just to clear the throat. But I did not touch the burger for you. All right, here we go. Yeah, and once again, those onions are coming on strong. And as usual, as we get toward the end, it apparently we're taking up more of the bun than anything. So I hope I still have a couple of bites out of the buns before I end up having to hold on to the patties. As you can tell, I do have a little bit of the top bun and definitely a larger portion of the bottom bun left. And just a little bit of meat, pickles, and some of the cheese. But this is the last bite. Now we have fries, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of take a couple more bites. This video is going considerably longer than my normal ones. We're going to cut to the chase and go right for the cookie. There's that chocolate chip cookie. Wonderful. Let's see how good it is. This one is a soft chocolate chip cookie. So it's chewy. You can tell the vanilla in it as well as the chocolate. That is a good cookie. It really is. And here we're almost done. Okay, aside from the fries, which is probably going to take another 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm not going to do that to you. What did I think of the hot dog? I'm going to give that a thumbs up. That was a very flavorful hot dog. Of course, it was the first one in a long time that I've ever had. So, things taste better, if you've been away from them for a while. That double cheeseburger, which is actually not double cheese, but it's a double patty burger with cheese. I'm going to give that a thumbs up. The char-broiled flavor was incredible. And then the cookie, yay. You can't go wrong with a chocolate chip cookie. And the fries, they're you know, they're okay. It's not that great. But this was a #1 from Hardee's, brand new $5 all-star meal menu. The other one was, well, the last one, I think it's like #5. It was a spicy chicken with a double cheeseburger, fries, cookie, and a drink. And then I forget the other three in the middle. I apologize for going this long. This is an incredibly long video for even standard watching. And what we're going to do is we're just going to cut it to the chase right now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends. And I'll see you next time. Take care.